Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This week in class, one of the things we've been talking about is our experience of theme parks and fairgrounds. And there seems to be a general consensus that these places are a bit of a rip-off. You pay a small fortune to get in. You then sometimes have to pay extra to go on particular rides. And if you want food or drink, you often have to pay through the nose for them. If you say that you pay through the nose or you have to pay through the nose for something, it basically means that you have to pay too much. You pay an unreasonable amount of money. So maybe your car breaks down and you need it fairly soon, so you have to get it repaired, but you end up having to pay through the nose for it. One common complaint I often hear here in London is that driving into the city is a bit of a nightmare. You have to pay the congestion charge to get into the centre of the city, and then if you want to find somewhere to park, good luck, because you end up having to pay through the nose for a parking space. Another common complaint here in the UK is the fact that foreign students who come and study at British universities, and there are many thousands of them, pay through the nose for the same courses that home students pay far less for. Last winter, when it was particularly cold, obviously you could have had the heating on full blast, but gas prices went through the roof at that particular time. And so if you wanted to have full heating on, you would have had to pay through the nose. So instead, most people just layered up and wore a t-shirt and a jumper and a jacket and a coat and a scarf. There is a story that the origin of the phrase comes from Denmark in the 9th and 10th century, when the king or the lord would send out his minions, his people, to go and collect taxes. And if you couldn't afford to pay the tax, they'd put a knife inside your nose and they'd slit it like that, so that it would kind of rip the inside of the nose open. So you would quite literally pay through the nose. I've no idea if this is true or not, but it's a good story, and if it helps you remember the phrase, all the better. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see stories about times when you've had to pay through the nose for things.